picked up this downpipe from CV Fabrication. Go ahead and open the box up and install it. Show y'all how it look. Stay tuned. Let's try to look out the box. These are tools I have to remove it. I have a 13mm socket, 15mm socket, 14mm wrench, O2 sensor remover socket, joint socket. Got longer extension too, just in case. Some shoes up, hanger remover, WD-40, an impact wrench. What's going on, everybody? All right, got the car jacked up. All right, guys, I have the O2 sensor off. I got downpipe unhooked from the top. So y'all have it look from the bottom. Also, let me finish taking the downpipe off and get done with that real fast. All right, back again. I have the downpipe put on. I got the O2 sensor plugged back in. As you can see, the brackets is on there too. Let's take you up below. That's my whole exhaust. Resonator delete, muffler delete. Up to the downpipe. I'm trying to get the bolts flush. That's about it.